Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a video carousel and add it to a shorthand story. Let's get started. The video carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the video carousel editor. In the editor, you can edit the video content and add your videos. You can select a layout and customize the video carousel look and feel, and change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the video carousel to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the shorthand editor. First, you'll need to add a part of the widget code you've copied in the JavaScript window. To do so, click on the JavaScript button at the top bar and paste the widget code you've copied before. Now, delete the second line of the code and leave only the first line. Click anywhere on the page outside of the JavaScript window to close it. If you're adding several widgets, you need to add this line of code only once. Now, to add the widget to the story, you can use two methods. By using the Insert HTML option in an existing section, or by adding a new custom HTML section. To add the widget to an existing section, click on the Insert HTML button wherever you wish the widget to show on your shorthand story. Now, in the Custom HTML window, simply paste the second line from the code you've copied before. Click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the Custom HTML window to save your changes and close the window. And that's it. Please note that the widget's content will not show on the shorthand editor and will only show on the preview and on the published story. To add the widget in a new section, click on Add Section on the left panel, wherever you want the widget to display on the story, and find and select the custom HTML section type at the bottom of the sections list. Now, in the custom HTML window, simply paste the second line from the code you've copied before. And that's it. Now, the video carousel will show on your website.